Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have Artena, and it is going to be 4-inch reaction glaze embossed Ramekins. Let's check these things out here, and open this up, show you what we got. Okay, they came wrapped very nice. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this. Be great for like a creme brulee or something like that, or just individual servings of rice or anything. Let's see. We got a bunch of them in here. There should be 4, I guess. So let's see. It comes very well packaged, so I don't think you're gonna have to worry about anything breaking in packaging. Look at this. Very strong packaging. And here's 1, 2, and they are like stoneware kind of ones. Oh man, heavy to get out. Oh yeah, look in the bottom here too. It says Artena, origin China, dishwasher and microwave safe. That's good to have too. And they are nice and solid, and they got a really cool little kind of pattern. You can almost see like a little bit of a dark line. And then here it's like, you know, you can see it. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but I can see it's almost like a glazed look on it. So that's cool. So you get 4 of these puppies in here. So these are 2, and then there's 2 more. These are really nice and definitely made like a stoneware china kind of thing here, but nice and solid. I can't wait to, and they're good. And you can put them in the oven and everything, and so they're nice and safe. So it can make all sorts of stuff. I think, you know, even just little side dish serving things, corn, anything in there. It's gonna be great. So totally needed some little ones for stuff. So these are them. Thumbs up for sure. Definitely cool.